It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Happy birthday to you. It's your birthday.
Happy birthday. Thank you for everything. You know naman, na sobrang grateful ako na nakilala kita. Naging friend, eventually naging best friend. Thank you for everything. Isa ka sa tao na nagpatunay sa akin na may one text away friend tayo lagi. At ikaw yon. At para sa akin ikaw yon. Isang ano lang, reply ka agad. Thank you for always listening to me. I love you so much. Take care always. God bless. I miss you. I love you. Happy birthday. Hintay mo ibang greetings. I love you. Mwah.
Hi, Ate Kat. Love you, miss you. Si Lia. Andito lang. Birthday, Pepe. Wish you all the best. Lalo na sa inyong dalawa ni Lia. I hope to see you soon. Uwi na kayo ha. Miss ko na kayo. I love you.
Birthday. Ingat ka palagi dyan. Sana makauwi ka next year. Yun lang. I love you. I miss you. Wow. Birthday, take care always. I miss you.
Mas bakit
Okay lang yun. Happy
Happy
birthday, Ate Kat.
Kat. Baby, happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
I miss you. Oo, ko yan si Keisha.
Kasi diba, totoo naman. Nagdebate.
Happy birthday. I love you. I miss you.
Love you. Bye-bye. Pakis kay Liam.
Mwah.
Hello, love. Happy birthday. Good luck dyan sa work and mag-ingat palagi. I wish you good health. Siyempre, no? I love you so much. I miss you. Uwi ka na. Happy birthday. I love you.
It's your birthday. It's your birthday.